Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to prevent the microphone on Messenger from accessing on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, navigate to Applications and search for the Messenger application. Once you've found Messenger, tap on Permissions. In the Permissions menu, you'll see different options for allowing or denying Messenger access to certain features. To prevent the microphone from being accessed by Messenger, simply select Don't Allow under the microphone permission. By doing this, Messenger will no longer have permission to use your device's microphone, ensuring your privacy and preventing any unwanted audio recordings. It's important to regularly check and adjust your app permissions to protect your personal information and maintain a secure device. And that's it. Follow these simple steps to prevent the microphone on Messenger from accessing on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on our channel.